Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to Optifine on 1.16.5. Pretty much what Optifine is it allows you to get shaders and resource packs and all that on Minecraft, and I made videos in the past on how to get those. If you guys don't know how to get those, you can go on my channel's previous videos. You guys can probably find some. Yeah, it's a very easy installation. It's probably going to be like a 2-minute video. So yeah, make sure to leave a like if this does work. But yeah, basically I'm just going to leave the Optifine download link in the description. I'm just going to go in Google Chrome and I'm just going to type in Optifine.net, and it should lead us to the little download page. Basically right here it just shows the features on the home page. It gives you FPS boost, HD textures, shaders, dynamic lights. Like, so when you're holding a torch with dynamic lights on, basically like the torch will shine around you, so you don't have to place like 40 torches, and when you're like mining you can only have one in your hand. It's a lot nicer. But yeah, that's just basically everything that it does. We're just gonna go over to the download page at the top, and we're just gonna click show all versions. So if you guys want like Minecraft, or if you want Optifine for like 1.8.9 or 1.12, because like a lot more stuff, because a lot more mods are like compatible on 1.12, you guys can do that. For this one we're focused on 1.16.5, so you're just gonna click on mirror in the brackets right here. You're not gonna go on download, just click on mirror, and there's a little download thing right here that you're gonna click on, and as you can see it will open as a jar file. Now if it doesn't open as a jar file, if it opens as like a WinRAR file or like a zip file, basically you're gonna have to fix that. I have a video of that in the past on how to fix jar files from opening in like WinRAR or something like that. I think that's the title, and it's worked for like every single person that's watched the video pretty much. It's like a 2-minute video, take like no time. So if that does happen to you guys, make sure to watch that and come back to this video. But yeah, as you can see though, it will say this type of file can harm your computer, and the reason I'm saying that is because it's a .jar file. This isn't a virus or whatsoever. So you're just gonna click keep. Don't worry about it being a virus. And when this little blue ring starts flashing, we are just gonna open it up. And may I mention, before you guys actually install this, you're gonna, for the version you're playing on, which for this one is 1.16.5, you're gonna want to play on that version at least once before you actually do it, or you actually like install Optifine with it, or else it won't work. So you have to play on that specific version one time before you actually do this, or it won't work. So we're just gonna open it up, click install, and then it'll say Optifine is successfully installed, and then it just pretty much closes. That's all you have to do. And now we're just gonna head on over to the Minecraft launcher right here, and as you can see, mine's already on Optifine, but yours should say latest release still. You're just gonna go over to installations here and press new, or Optifine should already be there, and you can just play it. But that's pretty much all you have to do for this. Pretty simple tutorial, takes no time whatsoever. But yeah, if this did help you in any way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. We're trying to hit 10k by the end of the year, but on Social Blade prediction thing, it says we're gonna reach 10k in like 5 months, I think. So we're gonna try and hit 10k before August, so make sure to subscribe so we can beat that goal. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.